Subscribe and press bell icon and never miss another update from Tweak Library.
Hey everyone, this is Akshita. Welcome to Tweak Library. It is really annoying to find no internet connection on iPhone as you are unable to access many of your apps or even browse on Safari. If you are also experiencing data connectivity issues with your iPhone, here are the best ways to troubleshoot the problem. Ways to fix iPhone mobile data not working. Try the easiest fix first. Disable and enable the mobile data. Go to Settings, Mobile Data. Tap the switch to turn it off and again tap to turn it on. Turn on, off, airplane mode. Under Settings, turn on airplane mode. When airplane mode is on, the mobile data turns off. Later, again turn off the airplane mode to switch on mobile data. Restart iPhone. Restarting mobile device often resolves the connection of internet on mobile. Hold the volume down button and the power button simultaneously to restart your iPhone. Now check if the iPhone mobile data has started working or not. Reinsert SIM card. Your iPhone SIM connects to your wireless carrier's network. Sometimes ejecting and reinserting the SIM card helps to connect internet on mobile. It is also possible that your SIM card may be damaged. In such a case, contact your service provider to replace the SIM. Check carrier settings update. From time to time, iPhone carrier providers like AT&T, Sprint, T-Mobile and Verizon etc. release updates. It is important to install these updates to improve your mobile data efficiency. You may see a message on your iPhone asking for carrier settings update whenever a new update is available. However, you can manually check and install a carrier setting update by following. Connect your iPhone to a Wi-Fi or mobile data. Tap Settings, General, About. If an update is available, you will see a pop-up to update your carrier settings. Click on Update. If no pop-up appears, it means there is no carrier setting update available. Reset network settings. Move to Reset network settings method after you have tried above methods to fix not working mobile data. Remember, this will clear your saved Wi-Fi networks and passwords, data settings and VPN and APN settings. To reset network setting on iPhone, follow Settings, General, About, Reset, Reset network settings, enter your passcode, choose Reset network settings and ignore the message that this action will delete all your network settings. Next, turn off your iPhone, switch on after few seconds. This should fix the iPhone mobile data issue. Contact your carrier. Sometimes the issue could be at your mobile data carrier end. Contact your carrier to check about proper data services or if any outages in your area that might be leading to unresponsive internet on your iPhone. Try these ways as one of it is surely going to rescue you from the problem iPhone mobile data not working. Do share with us in the comment box below what worked for you. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, give a big thumbs up and don't forget to share and subscribe our channel.